Environmental studies and nursing. Objectives. Overview. Define nursing. Role and function of a nurse on environmental health. Principles of environmental health for nursing practice. ANA, American Nurses Association. Overview. Environmental health nursing is the specialty practice that provides for and delivers health and safety services to society, populations, and community groups. This knowledge is an underpinning of nursing practice as expressed by Florence Nightingale in her first rule of nursing. Keep the air within a pure as the air. Without Nightingale, 1859. Define nursing. Nursing encompasses autonomous and collaborative care of individuals of all ages, families, groups, and communities, sick or well, and in all settings. Nursing includes the promotion of health, prevention of illness, and care of ill, disabled, and dying people. Advocacy, promotion of safe environment, research, participation in shaping health policy and in patient and health systems management and education are also key nursing roles. ICN 2002. Role and functions of a nurse on environmental health, such as caregiver, communicator regarding environment, health, teacher, client advocate, counselor on environmental health, change agent, leader, lead to promote environmental health care services, manager, case manager, research on environmental health, clinical specialties including medical, surgical, maternal health, child health, mental health, and community health. Then nurse practitioner. Nurse has been practiced as a environmental health nurse. Nurse midwife, nurse anesthetist, nurse educator, nurse entrepreneur, nurse administrator, prevention of diseases and focus on environmental health, promotion of health, rehabilitation, and every roles and functions should be environmental sustainability. Principles of environmental health for nursing practice. First principle, knowledge of environmental health. Concepts is essential to nursing practice. Second, the precautionary principle guides nurses in their practice to use products and practices that do not harm human health or the environment, and to take preventive action in the face of uncertainty. Three, nurses have a right to work in an environment that is safe and healthy. Four, healthy environments are sustained through multidisciplinary collaboration. Five, choices of materials, products, technology and practices in the environment that impact nursing practice are based on the best evidence available. 6. Approaches to promoting a healthy environment respect the diverse values, beliefs, cultures and circumstances of patients and their families. Seven, nurses participate in assessing the quality of the environment in which they practice and live. 8. Nurses, other healthcare workers, patients and communities have the right to know relevant and timely information about the potentially harmful products, chemicals, pollutants and hazards to which they are exposed. 9. Nurses participate in research of best practices that promote a safe and healthy environment. 10th principle, nurses must be supported in advocating and implementing environmental health practice principles in nursing. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.